Well, Jim and I are over at the ocean, a little bit north of Bodega Bay, and it's windy and chilly outside. And today is Thursday, the 15th of January, 2026. And it's sunny, and that's one thing I can say. It is sunny. Here's some over here. I'm in the car taking this because if I take it outside, the wind just drowns out what I am saying. There's a lot of waves. It is indeed a beautiful day. A lot of people are down here walking down to the beach. It's a happy January the 15th, 2026 with Jim and Carolyn.